Orange juice on face benefits. Oranges are not just delicious fruits, they are also packed with nutrients that can be beneficial for our skin. One of the key components is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant known for its role in promoting collagen synthesis and protecting the skin from oxidative stress. Vitamin C, the skin superhero. Now, let's talk about why vitamin C is so crucial for our skin. It helps brighten the complexion, reduces the appearance of dark spots, and contributes to a more youthful look by supporting collagen production. But, can applying orange juice topically really make a difference? Topical application of vitamin C. Studies suggest that topical application of vitamin C can indeed have positive effects on the skin. When applied directly, it may help in reducing hyperpigmentation, fighting free radicals, and promoting a more even skin tone. Orange juice contains a good amount of vitamin C, making it a potential skincare ally. Natural AHA citric acid. Another component of orange juice that could contribute to its skincare benefits is citric acid, a natural alpha hydroxy acid, AHA. AHAs are known for their exfoliating properties, helping to remove dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. This could result in a smoother and brighter complexion. Antioxidant power. Apart from vitamin C, orange juice also contains other antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids. These antioxidants may help protect the skin from environmental damage, like UV rays and pollution, which are known to accelerate aging. DIY orange juice face mask. Now, let's explore a simple DIY orange juice face mask. Mixing fresh orange juice with a natural moisturizer, like honey or yogurt, can create a hydrating and nourishing blend. The vitamin C and citric acid can work together to give your skin a radiant boost. Patch test skincare. Before you rush to the kitchen to try this out, it's important to note that individual skin reactions vary. Patch testing is a must to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Remember, while orange juice can offer potential benefits, it's not a substitute for a well-rounded skincare routine. So, go ahead, experiment, and see if the power of oranges can give your skin that extra glow. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional before incorporating new ingredients into your skincare routine, especially if you have sensitive skin or existing skin conditions.